Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been forever since I filmed a makeup video and I really do not have a good excuse for it. But today I'm going to do a makeup video for you guys, and this is the look that I'm going to show you guys how to do. I know it's a lot more makeup than I usually wear, but I wanted to do something kind of dramatic since the last makeup look I did, which was months ago, was not very dramatic. It was kind of more of an everyday look. So I guess this is kind of a sexy night out look for you guys. And please excuse my little fingernail. It's pretty much just like a little nub now. I know it looks awful. I slammed it in the car door last night and it took off my acrylic along with most of my actual nail. So yeah, so just ignore that. I know it looks really ugly. But yeah, if you guys want to see this kind of smoky metallic look, then just keep watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button below, because we are really close to 150,000 views. So my goal is to get 150,000 views, hopefully by the end of April. I think we can do it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm doing is I'm just filling in my brows with my NYX brow pencil, and I'm not super fancy with them. I just kind of fill them in because I do like my brows a little bit darker. And then I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and kind of shape them up a little bit, because I did get them a little bit too bold and too thick. So I'm just going to kind of thin them out and make a little bit sharper line. And then I'm just going to use the Shape Tape on the rest of my face, anywhere that I have kind of dark circles or redness. Today is actually the first day I used Shape Tape, and I am seriously in love with it. I don't know how I lived this long without it. And I'm just going to go in with my damp beauty blender and kind of blend that out. And I use the shade Lights because I like my concealer to be a little bit lighter than my foundation, to kind of brighten up my under eye. Okay, so now I am just contouring with my Tarte contour palette, and I'm just going to go under my cheekbones and around my jawline just to create a sharper jawline. And my brows are still a little too dark, so I just kind of blended them a little bit. Okay, and so to bake my face, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. And I'm just going to go under my eye and under my contour to just create a sharper line. And I'm just going to kind of dust that off and blend in my contour with my Estee Lauder Intensive Soothing Powder. And when I forgot to mention, I did already have my foundation on at the beginning of this video, and I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer in the shade Lights. So now I'm just going to put some of the Bye Bye Under Eye to create just kind of a sharper edge and a just more rich color when I apply my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to kind of blend that with the shade Classic from my Tarte Amazonian Clay Palette. Then for my crease, I'm using the shade Profesh, which is also in my Tarte Amazonian Clay Palette. And don't worry about the line being perfect because I'm going to wipe it off with a makeup wipe to create just a sharper line. Okay, so now I'm going in with the shade Drama. And I'm just using a wet wipe to just create a sharper line. And make sure you blend it really, really good. Once you think you've blended enough, blend some more. And I want it just a little bit darker around my crease. So I'm going to go in with the shade Vamp with a smaller brush, just to create kind of a dark line. And I'm just blending some more. And now I'm going to put the Shape Tape where I wiped it off because it wiped off my foundation and stuff. And this will also help create that sharper line. Now I'm going in with my Physicians Formula palette, and I actually don't have names to each shadow, but it's just like a really pretty glittery metallic silver, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. For my waterline, I'm using the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and I'm just going to line the top of my eyes and the waterline below as well. Okay, so this is going a lot faster than I can talk. I kind of sped it up so the video wouldn't be so long. So now I'm just doing my winged eyeliner, and I'm just using a NYX liquid liner. And for my mascara, I am using what is it called? It's the new one by L'Oreal. I'm forgetting what it's called. A lot of people compare it to the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And honestly, it's pretty good. Okay, so now I'm just getting ready to apply some fake lashes, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not good at applying fake lashes. It still takes me a while. Okay, so I want to add a little bit more of metallic, so I'm going to take the color Steel Wool from my Lorac Pro Mega 4 palette and put it on my lids, and then I'm just going to put a little more mascara to blend with my fake lashes. And I definitely overline my lips quite a bit. And the shade I use is the Too Faced Melted Matte, and it's called Suck It. Now I'm just applying some blush to my cheekbones. Any kind of blush will work. I'm going to go in and just contour the sides of my nose just a little bit to create a little bit of definition, and I'm using my Tarte contour palette again. And for my highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Aurora palette, and I'm using the shade Luna, and I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones and the tip of my nose. So that is pretty much the finished look, and yeah, it is super easy, nothing too difficult. So thank you guys for watching.